My mother was taken in 1944. You know, it was the last transport that was sent to Auschwitz. My father was sent to a labor camp in France, and he escaped from the labor camp, and for 2 years, he played as a deaf mute. He never spoke, you know, because if he would open his mouth, you know, they would know right away that, you know, he was Jewish. You know. In the meantime, there's a group of women that took it upon themselves to save as many children as they could. So there's about 750 of us, you know, that were saying we were in orphanages, you know, and they took us from one place to the other so the Germans couldn't catch us, you know. What we went through, what we saw in Europe as children, it's a trauma that stays with you. It's a thing that never goes away. I don't care what anybody says. Nobody can feel, you know, what a Holocaust survivor feels.
I could never put ourselves in that position. I mean, he never had a childhood. So, you know, it's kind of a difficult thing. The main promise I made to Dad when my mom passed is that I wouldn't put him in a nursing home. He's a stubborn old guy who doesn't like to be told what to do, and he likes to do things on his own, and Jessa is a huge part of that.
Caring for Holocaust survivors is critical to Federation. Federation is thrilled to be partnering with Jessa on this important initiative to help raise the funds necessary so that they can do the work that's necessary.
It allows them and enables them to be able to continue living safely and comfortably in their own homes. That is a great mitzvah that we are happy to share with our community supporters. Thank you, Jewish Federation of Greater Washington.
As a child of a Holocaust survivor, I'm extremely grateful to be part of a community that cares so much for the well-being of that population.
It gives you dignity, you know, and it's important to us Holocaust survivors, you know, to know that there's an organization that cares.
We can't change their past, but we can change their future. Those people who were fortunate to survive displayed enormous courage and, in fact, let people know that no matter what we're facing in our lives, if they made it, we can.